grow together. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to talk about how to become international model. Thank you so much for all your love and support. I have one more very good news for you all. So from today my YouTube membership has been started. So whoever wants to know about modeling exclusively, do get my membership and let's grow together. Link is given in my
Dips?
Link is given in my description box. So the first thing is, who are international models? Models who are signed in more than one countries are called as international models. Model is signed with an agency here in India and another agency in abroad. So you can call that model as an international model. Basically, models who work with all international brands and who represent India internationally are known as international models. Majority of international models work from abroad. They are not really working in India as much, but whenever they travel to India, they work here as well. But usually their market is abroad wherever they are placed. Like it can be US or it can be London, Milan, Paris, anywhere. Most important thing is requirements. So it is almost similar only, but for international market, they are very particular about the requirement. They will not let go for 1 or 2 inches. So for females, it's 5'9" and above, and for males, it's 6 and above. Next is your body type. So for international modeling, you all must have seen these kind of models. So there is categories in international modeling as well, like plus size and a normal physique model. But most importantly, if you are an Indian model, criteria you are going to work is this one. So you need to make sure that you are very lean and you are well shaped, like your body is perfectly shaped with good amount of muscle, and fat is like not needed only, but you need to be very fit and lean to be an international model. Abroad they have a concept of calling people through their colors. So we are called as brown people. So if you are a proper brown and dusky looking person, you have like a higher chances of getting placed internationally, because if they show diversity in their shows or shoots, they won't take like, they won't see that, oh, this is Indian and this is like Nigerian or whatever. They don't do that. They just go by the color. This is black, this is brown. So it's that. If you are fair, as we are South Asian, it doesn't matter how fair you are going to be called as a brown person there internationally. So they put us in a criteria that South Asian people are brown. So they'll do casting according to that. They'll cast black people, otherwise they'll cast Asian people, all through their categories and requirements. It's not like India, anyone can go for all kind of castings and represent any brand. They have like a particular, like certain brands take certain race people only. So that's there. So top 5 international modeling agencies are IMG Models, Elite Models, Wilhelmina Models, Next Management and Milk Management. These agencies are present worldwide, so that is why these are the most premium modeling agencies all over the world. All the world's biggest models are signed with these agencies, and all the superstars also signed with these agencies. Have you ever heard about MA or Mother Agency? So Mother Agency is the agency you will have in your own country and who will get you placed internationally. So that is a very important thing, because not all the international agency takes model directly. Some of the agencies do require you to have a mother agency in your own country, and although you can have MA in other country as well, but just to get placed from India, you need to have a mother agency here. Let's know how to apply for all the international agencies. So if you have MA in India and if you already have an agency here in India, so all you need to do is that you need to speak to your agency, you need to speak to your agent that you really wish to go international and you want to represent India. So you need to talk to them, you need to see if your agency, which is in India, does do placement internationally or not. Just look for that. If your agency does not do placements, then you can try shifting to the other agency who does placement internationally. But The most important thing is that you need to speak to your agent, and then they will push your profile, and then they'll let you know what all changes you need to do, or is it even possible or not for your profile. So it's the best thing that you can talk to your agency. People who are doing freelance in India and who wants to become an international model can directly apply to international models. The process is almost the same how you apply to Indian agencies. They also have their websites, they also have their Instagram. You can go and click onto the submission on their website and you can mail them. It is the same way how you apply to Indian agencies, you have to apply to international ones too. If you want to know how to apply, then please do watch my videos on how to apply to agencies and you will know the process entirely. People who are waiting for this special video about how to mail the agencies, stay tuned because my next video is going to be on the topic of how to mail agencies. Now the most important thing is money. How much money is required to become an international model? So what are the basics you need to have to be an international model? You'll need a visa, you'll need a flight, you need to travel to whichever country you are placed in, you need to stay there, you need to survive there till the time you get work. So a lot of agencies do sponsor you. Yes, they do sponsor you. Sponsorship is something where they pay for your visa, flight, stay, and they give you pocket money as well. So yes, they do sponsor it, but some of the agencies does not because of the COVID situation which happened like 4 to 5 years back. Because of the downfall, not all the agencies sponsor right now, but most of them do. So some of the agencies sponsor stay and pocket money, but some just give you the stay. So it is all according to their situation and your situation. And the sponsorship is not for free. So if they are sponsoring you, when you will go there and when you will work, they are going to deduct it from your payment. It is not going to be free. In the sense, you are only paying for your expenses. It's just that they are lending you some money so that you can survive, and later when you start earning, they will deduct it from your payment. But you still need to have a certain amount with you for safety, because you can't completely rely on the agency, right? Because it is going to be abroad. You can't risk yourself. So I'll just suggest that if you're thinking to become a international model and you're thinking to travel, you should at least have 5 lakhs with you, because you never know what emergency you faced, or whatever things can go wrong anytime, anywhere. So you need to be safe at that point. That is why this is the minimum amount you should have with you if you are planning to do that. So what is scope of work? If you are there and if you want to really work for all the big brands like Chanel, Dior and Gucci, all these kind of brands, then you really need to give your time there. You need to stay there for at least 1 year, and then only you will go to castings and other auditions, and then you will crack any 1 or 2 out of it. But there are a lot of models who does only runways. So what they do is that they just travel for the season, runway fashion week season, and then they come back to India and then they work here. So you can do that as well. You can only do runway shows. All these brands do runway shows as well, and there the payments are really good. Of course, dollar and pounds and euros are higher than rupees, so you are any which way earning in better way. If you are able to get an international agency and if you are able to go there and work there, and if it does work for you, it is going to be the best thing and you can have a really good career in modeling. So I'll suggest to try it out. If you are looking forward to international modeling, then you must follow these things to get best results. And hope you liked it. Stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be on how to mail agencies all over the world and in India. And do not forget to take my membership. It is going to be available from today itself, so don't miss that. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.